Namaste. Here we provide a path to greater energy and improved health. Please stay and find out if this is the path you've been looking for. Welcome to Yoga Nidra, non-sleep deep rest. For you, I'm creating the best guided meditations. Your guide Marcel Groux speaking. Prepare a peaceful spot. Turn off notifications, radio, television, and anything else that might distract you. Then lie down comfortably, cushion your head, and relax. Legs slightly apart, arms by your sides, palms up, eyes closed. Again, reflect if you're comfortable, as during Yoga Nidra, you will give your physical body a break with complete stillness of movement. Breathe gently through your nose, tongue softly touching the roof of your mouth. This experience is intended for wakeful relaxation, so when you fall asleep, it is completely fine. Whenever you realize, come back to my voice. A bell will signal the end of our practice. I will slowly guide you out then. Let's begin with a breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. And exhale for 5. We are in this together. Come to your body and check in with your body, feeling where your body lies, connecting to where your body touches the floor, the mat, the bed, whatever you're lying on. Connecting to your ankles, your hips, your shoulders, your elbows, your wrists, your hands, and your head. Feel the connection to the earth. Feel the gravity. Before we continue, we are connecting to a seed, an intention, a wish, formulated in the present tense as if it's already true. An example might be, I'm full of energy. My health is completely limitless. I feel comfort. I'm accepting my body. Whatever it is, let this statement come from your body. So listen to your body. Do not think. Listen to your body. And then formulate a statement. A statement that is positive and in the present tense, as if it's already true. I'm giving you some more time here. As soon as you've heard your statement, your wish, or also called sankalpa, repeat it 3 times. Great. Let's continue now by bringing our attention to our breath. Noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. So not changing your breath, just observing your breath. Visualize your breath as gentle, healing light, entering and leaving your body. With each inhale, imagine this light bringing calm and renewal to your body. With each exhale, envision any fatigue or discomfort leaving your body, making room for renewed energy. Additionally, you're invited to make a yawning noise when you're exhaling with your mouth closed. Also allowing yourself now to modify your breath a little, making your exhale longer than your inhale. Good job. Completely allowing your entire being to relax and feel in to this light that is bringing calm and renewal to your body. And with every exhale, envisioning how the fatigue or discomfort is leaving your body completely. Let's now connect to our feet and gradually move up our body. With every body part mentioned, imagine a wave of relaxation flowing over that body part, coming to your toes, all of the toes, coming to the sole of the feet, the top of the feet, the ankles, your lower legs, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your belly, and also the lower back, your rib cage, also the mid back, your chest, also the upper back, your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your wrists, your palms, the top of the hands, and the fingers, the neck, coming up to your head slowly, coming to your chin, to your lips, to your nose, to your right nostril, to the left nostril, to your right eye, to left eye, to the place between your eyebrows, coming up to your forehead, up to the top of the head, to the back of your head, to your right ear, to your left ear, releasing completely any tension that is yet now still there, and you can feel it still. If you still feel any kind of tension, take an inhale and exhale and release that tension even more if you can. Again, imagine as you're inhaling a light bringing calmness and renewal to your body, to every cell of your body that is completely, suddenly awake and here right now for action, supporting you, every cell in your body, working with you. And with your exhale, feel how any discomfort is leaving your body. The only thing that is left is complete renewal. Imagine now a source of limitless energy above you. A glowing orb. Feel its warmth. Feel its revitalizing quality, bathing your entire body in its light, infusing you with vitality and strength. See yourself how you're connecting to this limitless energy and just drawing the exact right amount from you, from it. Feeling how your entire body is replenished without overwhelming it. Finding balance. Recalibrating your energy levels. Completely lying here, surrendering and accepting. And being completely astonished if what is happening. Repeating now your intention 3 times, your sankalpa, your seed, your wish that we formulated in the beginning. Repeat it 3 times in stillness. And from here, start to move your fingers, start to move your toes, your ankles, your wrists, your elbows, your shoulders, coming back to the exterior world slowly. Your hips, your belly, your chest, your entire body, your head, If your body needs a stretch, then stretch your body. Whenever you're ready, open up your eyes, bring your hands in front of the heart together. Either lying or sitting. Each moment you dedicate to this practice is a testament to your commitment. You are encouraged to share in the comments both your breakthroughs and struggles, creating a ripple effect of growth and support. Like that, you are enabling me to create the best guided meditations, bowing down in front of you for all of your commitment and support. Namaste.